have the privilege of being here in Taipei today, where we're doing some benchmarking of our new tablet processor, previously called codename Baytrail. It's the Intel Atom processor Z3770, and we have a new tablet available from ASUS Tech, the Transformer T100, that has our Intel Atom Z3740 processor. So we have some of those tablets set up here that we can do some benchmarking on, and we'll even compare those to the previous generation codename Clover Trail, and you can see how that runs on some video editing and some gaming that we have here. There's a few interesting points about our Baytrail processor. First off, it's built on our advanced 22 nanometer microprocessor fab, so you're getting super fast transistors at super low power. In fact, that's one of the great things about Baytrail, is you're going to get all-day battery life in your tablets. Similar to the previous generation Clover Trail, which everyone loved the battery life on that, you're going to get similar battery life with Baytrail, but much better performance. It's going to be twice as fast on your everyday tasks, and 3, 4, maybe even 5 times as fast on the games, depending on what game you're playing. And we'll show a few of those. One of the things about Baytrail is it's based on our Silvermont architecture. So that's our Baytrail is the tablet version of that. In the future, we're going to have a phone version called Merrifield, and we'll talk about that in the future. Baytrail is a quad-core, so it's a quad-core processor. It has the ability to boost the frequencies up to 2.4 gigahertz. So you can have all 4 cores running at 2.4 gigahertz to give you the power that you need when you need it. But when you're not doing much with the tablet, the frequencies can clock down, so you have a great power efficient experience. All right. Here we have an ASUS Transformer T100. This has the Intel Atom Z3740, which runs up to 1.8 gigahertz. And here we have our previous generation Atom based on the codename Clover Trail. And what we're going to do is run a standard benchmark called Touch Expert, and what it does is it automates various things that people do with tablets, things like photo processing, video editing, working with MP3 files. And what we're going to look at here is converting an HD video, a 1080p HD video, down to a smaller size, a 480p video that you could use on a smaller screen device. And so it's all automated. What we'll start here with the previous generation, start that running, and go down the line. And what it will do is it will play the video, and what you'll see is as it plays, it's transcoding it, changing the format from 1080p to 480p. And you can see that it's going through the video fairly quickly there, encoding it faster than real time. And what you'll see is the new Intel Atoms finish very quickly. What do we have here? 16.89 seconds and 16.72 seconds. So that's what I would expect, is the performance of these to be very similar, because both of these devices have the Intel Atom processor, which includes Intel HD graphics, and the Intel HD graphics has our QuickSync technology inside, so it has hardware accelerated video encode, which runs at the speed of the graphics processor. And since the graphics processor is running at about the same speed on both of these devices, you get very similar performance. And then here our previous generation completed. This does not have QuickSync video. It doesn't have the hardware acceleration, so this has been using the CPU to do the transcode, and you can see it was about a little over 53 seconds to do the same amount of work.